Hey you, how's it going?
I know, the usual.
Hello?
Hi, I'm a sophomore calling from Chapman University. How are you this evening? That's great. Like I said, I'm a student at Chapman and I'm calling members of the Chapman family to update our records and to share some campus news with you.
You have to feel it. What do you want in this scene? I need to see it in your eyes.
Who are you? What are you doing? Ah, don't hurt me!
We weren't all born to be the next Victoria Johnson.
Hi, I'm a sophomore calling from Chapman University. How are you this evening? Victoria Johnson? Victoria... No way. Hello? Hello, is this Victoria Johnson? Oh god, is this another telemarketer? Hi, Victoria. I'm a student calling from Chapman University and we're calling Chapman alumni today to confirm your records and update you on some campus news. Hey, I'm expecting some very important calls and I don't have time to listen to your low-grade college ass try and seed me for money. I completely understand. I just want to... so fucking pathetic. I know. What? Who are you? What are you doing in here? Please don't hurt me! What are you doing here? What? What are you doing here? Who are you? Who are you? Don't...
Hello?
Hi, I'm a sophomore calling from Chapman University. How are you this evening?
Oh Christ, can't you lose or stop calling? I graduated years ago, and you know where you're going to be? Nowhere. Get used to being a telemarketer. How do you live with that?
Hardly. You feel like you would feel if you were hurrying along and smacked your shin against the corner of the coffee table. You feel like you want to yell a lot. The pain hasn't completely arrived, but you can see it coming. And you want to yell at it, scare it off. Something like that, anyway.
Are you okay? What happened to your hand?
Huh. I don't know. Hello? Oh god, is this another telemarketer? Hey, I'm expecting some very important calls, and I don't have time to listen to your low-grade college ass try and seed me for money. You people are so fucking pathetic. I know. What? Who are you? What are you doing in here? Please don't hurt me!